Here's what frustrates most managers about hiring and how you can fix it. Every manager knows how hard it is to hire the right person. You read the resumes, ask the questions, and hope you've made a good decision. But too often you discover later that what looked promising in the interview doesn't work in real life. The Lab Profile for Managers gives you a simple, practical way to see how people think, make decisions, and stay motivated before you hire them. Here's what frustrates most managers about hiring and how you can fix it. Unreliable hiring process. What frustrates managers is that resumes and interviews don't show who this person really is. They say all the right things and then act differently once they're hired. How to fix this? With the Lab Profile, you learn to ask questions which reveal how a candidate actually thinks, works, and stays motivated, not just what they've done before. You'll spot hidden strengths and red flags before you make an offer. Too much time and effort. What frustrates managers? Hiring takes too long, and being short-staffed, I have to rush decisions. How to fix it? The Lab Profile helps you focus quickly on the patterns which matter most for your role. You'll stop wasting time on the wrong candidates and identify best fit people faster. Poor candidate quality. What frustrates managers? It's hard to find people with the right mix of skill and attitude. The good ones get hired away before I decide. How to fix it? When you know what motivates the right kind of person for your role, you can attract them more effectively and recognize them when they show up. The Lab Profile helps you identify the capabilities and motivation which separates high performers from everyone else. Communication and fit. What frustrates managers? I can't tell if someone will work with a team. They seem fit on paper but not in our culture. How to fix it? The Lab Profile helps you map communication and motivation patterns, yours, your team's, and your candidates. You'll understand what drives each person so you can build teams that actually work together. Lack of tools or support. What frustrates managers? HR sends me candidates who don't fit, and I've never been trained to interview properly. How to fix it? With the Lab Profile, you gain a proven, practical framework for interviewing and evaluating people. It gives you language, structure, and insight, so you're no longer guessing. Pressure and accountability. What frustrates managers? I'm pushed to hire fast, not right. I get blamed when it doesn't work out. How to fix it? The Lab Profile gives you confidence and evidence to back up your hiring decisions. You'll be able to explain why a candidate fits or doesn't with a precision which earns respect from your boss, your peers, and your team. The bottom line. When you understand how people think, not just what they say, you hire smarter. The Lab Profile for Managers gives you tools to do exactly that, so you can stop gambling in your interviews and start choosing people who thrive in your organization. I'm Roger Bailey, the developer of the Lab Profile. If you want to finally understand what really drives each person, know what they can and cannot do, as well as know how to influence and motivate them, click the link in this video's description and enroll now. I'd love to work with you.